Use COP09 liquid to separate the driver IC. Apply the liquid to fully cover the driver IC. The process may take over 5 hours, and the liquid will dry out during the process. Wipe off the dried liquid and apply new liquid. Repeat this process until the IC loose automatically. Now driver IC is completely loosened. Take away the IC. Use dust-free cloth and acetone to wipe off the remnant. Now the circuit has been cleaned. The insulating layer is broken. That is normal.